Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. This is section D of our second quantitative reasoning series. And if you're just getting to see this, do well to check the playlist. Thank you. Alright, so let's look at these samples and see how the numbers connect. Okay, so we have 2, 10, 4, 7, 3, 8, 16, 8, and the other one. So I'll just spend some time looking at it as fast as possible to see the quick connections I can have. So what can I do with 10, 2, 4, 12, 7? Okay. I can't really see anything at the glance, alright? Okay. But since there are 4 pots, there are 4 numbers in the sample, there's always this possibility of balance. So one of the things you can quickly look out for is how to pair the number. I talked about balance in section C, right? So I think I'm seeing a balance here too. You can see 10 and 4, 2 and 7. 10 and 4, 2 and 7. Can you see that? Can you see the relationship? 2, 7, 10, 4. So this will be 2 times 7, 14, right? Which is 10 plus 4. Balance with different operations, right? Let's confirm that with the second sample. 3 times 8 is 24, right? And then 8 plus 16 is 34. So since I don't have repeated number here, I could just use this as my analysis. And if you try it here too, I believe you get the same thing. So 1 over 4 times 3 over 2 will be 3 over 8. And then 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8 is also 3 over 8. So balance, alright, but with different operations. So here we're doing multiplication, and this other side we're doing addition. At the end of the day, the two results will build the same. Alright, so we have 2 times 7. We give us the same thing as 10 plus 4. Alright. Okay, so this will also lead us to combination of these various different signs. Then you must be careful with how you reverse them. So the rule is, okay, once you have one that is complete and you have the missing one, so this part is complete, so I just multiply this, I got the answer 14. So I already know that this addition is going to be 14. So I can use that to answer. Okay, let's say one of this part is missing, then I have this addition complete, so I do 10 plus 4, 14. So I already know that this multiplication is 14. So I use that to find the missing number. Very simple, easy peasy, right? So let's see how we can write out the analysis for this. So let's say we are looking for 7, right? So missing from this part, so that means this portion is complete. So we have 10 plus 4 complete, which is 14. Alright, how do we get 7 rather? No, 7 is missing, we have 14. We know that this times this is 14. So what do we multiply by 2 to get 14? That's 7. So that means we're doing 14 divided by 2. So if we divide 14, which is the answer, by 2, we'll get 7. So the same thing for 2, if we have the addition complete, and that gives us 14. If we divide that 14 by 7, we'll have 2. If we divide it by 7, we have what? 2. Okay? And then let's move to the next one. We have 10. So that means we have the multiplication complete. We do that first. Okay? But here we have to be careful. So we do that first. 2 times 7, which is 14. So how do we get 10? Since we know that this is 14, how do we get 10? From that, we subtract 4 from 14. Subtract 4 from 14 and it will leave us with 10. And the same thing for 4. We have a multiplication and the answer is 14. If we take away 10, we know that we'll be left with 4. Alright? And so that's it. We have analyzed the sample, and with this, we can use this as a formula to answer the exercises. Alright, let's go over to the exercises. Alright, the exercise. Okay, we have number 12, and this particular number is missing. So we check with our analysis, That's in place of 4. So how did you get 4? We did the multiplication and then we subtract the other pair of the addition. So we did the multiplication, we know that we're doing 2 times 7, 14, 10 plus 4, also 14. So we did 2 times 6 here. We're going to do 6 times 3, 6 times 3, which is what? 18. And then, since we know that 11 plus this will also give us 18. So what do you add to 11 to give you 18? You subtract 11 from 18, and that is 7. Alright? So the answer to number 12 is 7. You can always check. Put 7 back. 11 plus 7, 18. 6 times 3, 18. Balance. Alright. Now, in number 13, we have the other part of this multiplication missing. So how do we do it? You know that this times this will give you this plus this. So first, let's know this plus this. So that will be 26. 26 plus 16. 6 plus 6 is 12, right? And that's 2. Take 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. So that's 42. So since this plus this is 42, 3 times this will also be 42. So now that we know that, we divide 42 by 3. So we do 42 divided by 3. So 3 goes in 4 once, right? Remainder 1. And then 3 in 12 is 4. So the answer is 14. The answer is 14. So 3 times 14 is 42. 26 plus 16 is 42. Checked. Balance. Alright? And number 14, this part is missing. In our analysis, that's 2. Alright? So how did we get the 2? We did the addition, complete addition, and then we divided by 7. Okay, so 2 plus 34 is 36, right? 2 plus 34, that's 36. And then 36 divided by 6, that will give us 6. Alright, so the answer here is 6. So we check. 6 times 6, 36. 2 plus 34, 36. Checked. Balance. I just want you to understand the concept of balance. Very easy procedure to follow. Alright? And then in the final question, you have this times this plus this, and then I'd like to see how you're going to tackle this. So let's have the answer to number 15 in the comments, and I'll be waiting to see the best answer. Possibly we might have a gift. Thank you. Bye.